Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, shall we continue our Arabic vocabulary in action? Yes, why not? And today's focus point is عظيم عظيمة عظيم عظيمة. عظيم for masculine, عظيمة feminine, and it means great, strong, big. عظيم عظيمة. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ هل أنتم جاهزون؟ هل أنتم جاهزون؟ Are you ready? Are you ready? هل أنتم جاهزون? Are you ready? Say, نعم نحن جاهزون. Yes, we are ready. Yes, we are ready. And I will say عظيم عظيم, great. عظيم, great, fantastic. عظيم, great. Okay, next one. هذه فرصة عظيمة لتعلم اللغة العربية. هذه فرصة عظيمة لتعلم العربية. هذه فرصة عظيمة. That means this is a great opportunity. Or you can say golden opportunity. لتعلم العربية. To learn Arabic. Yes, you are watching the right channel. Indeed. Yes. هذه فرصة عظيمة لتعلم العربية. This is a big, great opportunity, golden opportunity to learn Arabic. Whether you are a beginner, you can watch so many of my videos. If you don't know how to read or write Arabic text, I refer you to one of my videos entitled Arabic from the Beginning, Part 1. It's an 18 lesson, and at the end of that lesson 18, you know how to read and copyright Arabic indeed, even if you never seen Arabic before. Arabic from beginning, part 1. Type it on your YouTube, you get it. Okay. هذه فرصة عظيمة لتعلم العربية. Next one. يقدم يوتيوب خدمة عظيمة للدارسين. يقدم يوتيوب خدمة عظيمة للدارسين. يقدم must mean to offer, to give. So I will say YouTube provides خدمة عظيمة, a great service للدارسين, for learners. Yes, يقدم يوتيوب خدمة عظيمة للدارسين. Without any doubt. YouTube provides a great service to learners. Now, next one. Let's use هدية عظيمة in a sentence. هدية means gift. تلقيت هدية عظيمة من أختي. تلقيت هدية عظيمة من أختي. تلقيت, and that is verb to receive something. So I received a great gift. هدية عظيمة من أختي, from my sister. She is very kind. تلقيت هدية عظيمة من أختي. Next one. You have been doing extremely well in your Arabic, I noticed from your comment. So, يا له من إنجاز عظيم. يا له من إنجاز عظيم. يا له من إنجاز عظيم. What a great achievement. إنجاز, that means achievement, accomplishment. عظيم. What a great achievement from your part. Yes, well done. أحسنتم. أحسنتم. Well done. أحسنتم. Next one. أنت, you. أنت رجل عظيم. You are a great man. You are a great man. أنت رجل عظيم. And to a lady, I would say, أنت امرأة عظيمة. أنت امرأة عظيمة. You are a great woman. A great lady. Indeed. أنت امرأة عظيمة. Now, next one. So we can say, لديك قدرة عظيمة على العطاء. لديك قدرة عظيمة على العطاء. You have a great ability to give. You have a great ability to give. لديك قدرة. قدرة, that's an ability. If you're speaking to a woman, just change ka to ki. لديك قدرة عظيمة على العطاء. You have a great ability to give. Generous. MashaAllah. Okay. Next one. لديك قدر عظيم من الصبر. لديك قدر عظيم من الصبر. لديك, to a man, to a woman you say, لديك قدر عظيم من الصبر. You have a great deal of patience. You have a great deal of patience. لديك ولديك قدر عظيم من الصبر. Sabr is patience. Next one. لديك شخصية عظيمة. لديك شخصية عظيمة. لديك, to a man, لديك, to a woman, لديك شخصية عظيمة. You have a great personality. You have a great personality. لديك ولديك شخصية عظيمة. Now, next one. I can say, when people say, oh, well done, I'd say to them, look, فما أرجوه هو أجر عظيم من الله. فما أرجوه هو الأجر العظيم, if you like. الأجر العظيم من الله. فما أرجوه. You can just say, what I wish for, what I hope for in doing all these things is a great reward from my Lord, from my God. Yes. That will be the best prize. فما أرجوه هو الأجر العظيم من الله. Now, and then I can say, for all your help as well, أتاكم الله أجرا عظيما. منحكم الله أجرا عظيما. May God give you a great reward. Now, anybody who's trying their best to do anything good, my Lord will reward them. May God reward all of us and grace all our endeavors with acceptance and blessing. Ameen. Yes, this is another set of focus points for you. To learn, copy it out, memorize them. We have done عظيم, and that means great. We have فرصة عظيمة, خدمة عظيمة, هدية عظيمة, إنجاز عظيم, رجل عظيم, امرأة عظيمة. Yes. شخصية عظيمة, قدرة عظيمة, قدر عظيم, أجر عظيم. And what else? We have شخصية عظيمة. MashaAllah. Well done. And please subscribe to the channel and send the link to your contacts for me, please. And my charity, Helping Hands for Education, is asking and begging for your help to build an educational resource center for the children who are in need in my hometown, Ogbomoso, southwestern Nigeria. And thank you so much for some of you who have reached out and made donation. Please help out. جزاكم الله خيرا. شكر الله لكم. أحسن الله إليكم. وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع ألف سلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.